Is your Windows 11 touchpad not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through 10 simple fixes you can try right now to get your touchpad working again. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. These simple fixes solve the touchpad issue for most people, so try them first before going deeper. Step 1. Check if touchpad is disabled by shortcut key. Sometimes the touchpad can be accidentally disabled by a shortcut key. Look for a touchpad symbol on your function keys, usually F5, F6, or F7, and press it together with the FN key to re-enable your touchpad. If using the shortcut keys didn't work and your touchpad still isn't responding, don't worry. You can still enable the touchpad directly from Windows settings, even if you can't use your mouse or touchpad. Here's how to do it using just your keyboard. Step 1. Open Settings with keyboard. Press the Windows key plus I together. This opens the Settings menu. Step 2. Move to Bluetooth and Devices. Use the Tab key to navigate through the options. When you're on the left sidebar, use the arrow keys to move down and highlight Bluetooth and Devices. Press Enter. Step 3. Select Touchpad. Press Tab until you reach the list of options. Use the arrow keys to go down to Touchpad and press Enter. Step 4. Enable Touchpad. Press Tab again to get to the toggle switch. If it says Off, press Spacebar to turn it on. If enabling the touchpad didn't work, let's try another simple fix: restarting your laptop. Even if your touchpad and mouse aren't working, you can restart your Windows laptop with just the keyboard. Here's how. Step 1. Press Alt plus F4. First, make sure you're on your desktop. If not, press Windows plus D to minimize all windows and go to your desktop. Step 2. Open Shutdown menu. Now, press Alt plus F4. This brings up the shutdown menu. Step 3. Select Restart option. Use the arrow keys to highlight Restart. Step 4. Press Enter. Press Enter to restart your laptop. Method 3. Enable or update touchpad driver using keyboard. If restarting didn't help, let's check if your touchpad driver is disabled or needs an update. You can do this through Device Manager using only your keyboard. Here's how. Step 1. Update your touchpad driver. Open Device Manager, press Windows plus X on your keyboard. Press M to open Device Manager. Find the touchpad driver. Use the arrow keys to scroll to mice and other pointing devices. Press the right arrow key to expand the list. Select your touchpad. Use the down arrow to highlight the touchpad, often called HID Compliant Touchpad. Update the driver, press Shift plus F10 or the menu right-click key to open the menu. Use the arrow keys to select Update Driver. Press Enter. Once you've updated your touchpad driver and made sure it's enabled in Settings, check if your touchpad is working now. If not, try restarting your laptop and check again. Method 4. Update your Windows. Step 1. Open Settings, press Windows. Plus I to open the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to Windows Update. Use the Tab key to move to the left sidebar. Use the down arrow key to highlight Windows Update at the bottom of the sidebar. Press Enter to open the Windows Update section. Step 3. Check for updates. Use the Tab key until the Check for Updates button is selected. Press Spacebar to start checking for updates. Step 4. Download and install updates. If updates are found, follow the on-screen prompts. Use Tab and Enter to select Download or Install where needed. Step 5. Restart your PC if required. If prompted, use Tab and Enter to select Restart Now to complete the update process. Method 5. Reset your PC. If none of these steps have fixed your touchpad, don't worry. There's still one last solution you can try. As a final step, you can reset your Windows PC. This will restore your system settings and can fix stubborn issues that other methods couldn't solve. How to reset your Windows 11 PC. Step 1. Open Settings, press Windows plus I to open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Recovery Options. Use the Tab key to move to the sidebar. Use the down arrow to highlight System and press Enter if needed. Use Tab and arrows to highlight Recovery in the main panel, then press Enter. Step 3. Start the reset process. In the Recovery section, use Tab to find Reset this PC and select the Reset PC button with Enter. Step 4. Choose an option. A new window will pop up. You'll have two options: Keep My Files removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Remove Everything removes everything, including files. Use the arrow keys to select your preferred option and press Enter. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Continue following the instructions using Tab, arrows, and Enter to confirm each step. Your PC will restart and begin the reset process. And that's it! Those are all the steps you can try if your Windows 11 touchpad isn't working. I hope one of these solutions helped you out. If you have any questions, or if you found a different fix that worked for you, let us know in the comments below.